Welcome to a Learning Services tutorial. Today we're focusing on the literacy analysis document available through the school numeracy and literacy assessment analysis document. Now the first few steps are going to be similar for the next videos, so please follow along for the literacy analysis part. Now staff, you'll probably want to either star or bookmark this document that you see in front of you. It is the School Numeracy and Literacy Assessment Analysis Documents link. Now, if you don't think you have access to this, try searching it in your Google Drive first, and if you still don't have access to it, you can contact Learning Services for support with that. Now, the first thing you're going to do when you open up this document is you'll come to this table of contents. You will locate your school and you will click there. For ease, I've already opened up a document. So here we have what you will find when you get to your school's name. Your school name will appear at the top. Now you'll see that there is a chart, and in the chart there's a summary document that will be covered in a different video. Numeracy analysis documents covered in a different video. Today's literacy analysis documents, which focuses on the phonological awareness assessment documents, and then the HLAT analysis documents. The links in each of those categories will be there for your school configuration. So if you only had grades 1, 2, and 3, only those grades would show up. In this example, this configuration has grades 1 through 6 English, grades 2 to 8 French, and so on and so forth. So that's where you can access the literacy and numeracy and HLAT analysis documents. Below the chart, you will see that we have input step-by-step guides for you, so this can be your one-stop shop in case you forget where to find instructions or how to report on some of those things. Now we're going to go into a grade 2 example of the phonological awareness assessment analysis documents. So I've opened up an example of what that might look like. We have blanked out student names for FOIP, and in this example I'll show you that you can see your whole school's data for that grade here. It's a tab along the bottom, or you can also search the tabs for class codes. Now, if you're class code A, you can click on the A tab, and you can come up here and you can filter for many different options to look at your data. You can choose for school year. You could do time of year, so this is really good for if you are wanting to look at the fall marks versus the spring marks and compare the two. That's really great to do that. You can filter by class code. You can filter by the results, so at risk, targeted, and universal, and you can sort by last name, first name, class code. Additionally, if you stayed on the All tab and filtered using the class code, that would show up here, which can give you a nice picture of an overall grade in your school or by class code. So everyone, this has been a quick tutorial on how to use the literacy analysis document to look up what's going on with your kids. Anyway, I hope you have a great day.